Hi, I'm Holly Corcoran, CPA with Corcoran Business Advisory Services, where we provide financial, business, and tax planning advice to veterinary practices. We've talked about the procedures involved in our engagement. We've talked about standard operating procedures, or SOPs. And now I want to talk about the employee manual. And I cannot stress enough how important this is. In my book, The Vet Advisor, Are You Running Your Business or Is It Running You? I do have an appendix that outlines generally what an employee handbook would look like. If you do not feel confident in preparing your own employee handbook, then I do have professionals that I can refer you to. But the importance cannot be understated. We do not remember from day to day what we've decided yesterday, last month, or a year ago, unless it's documented. And for employees, they really need to know what to rely on. So that handbook is a reference for them to know what your expectations are. And you know what? It's a reference for you too, to remember what benefits you're providing your employees, what timeframes are involved, when they should be reviewed. And I've got to stress that you should be reviewing your employees every year. And you can use those SOPs also as benchmarks or expectations, and documenting when the employee is either going above and beyond the call of duty, or they're following the SOPs, or they're not following the SOPs. Where can they make improvements so that you can have a dynamic conversation with your employees on an annual basis? But I really suggest that you have an employee manual in place. So I hope you'll take a few minutes, go to my website, schedule a consultation, which is a 15-minute call, to see if it makes sense for us to schedule a discovery meeting, and we can go from there. Thank you so much and have a great day.